Will 2024 be an easier year for home buyers and sellers than 2023? That is a question that seems to be on buyers and sellers' minds these days. Hi, I'm Shelley Stone with eXp Realty and the Shelley Stone Group. I think we all can agree last year was a difficult market for both buyers and sellers who felt stuck with the market conditions. So let's break it down for 2024. Will we see the Feds continue to raise mortgage rates? Well, that will depend on how inflation trends and what the Feds ought to do about it. All indicators are pointing to inflation cooling and the Fed cutting rates, leading to lower borrowing costs for buyers. But we will not see 3% mortgage rates in 2024. So what about inventory? Inventory is expected to be a little sluggish in the first couple of months this year. But then we can expect to see more inventory as we move into the spring, creating more options for buyers. And what about affordability? First-time home buyers will continue to face challenges, but there will be some bright spots. The record high income required to purchase that we saw in 2023 is expected to decline as mortgage rates ease and home prices soften in some areas. Sellers who are planning to sell and then repurchase will benefit from their home equity and lower rates when it comes to affordability. So how can you prepare as a home buyer to purchase this year? Well, align yourself with a good agent and lender to help you navigate the market and help you get financially ready. As a seller, make sure you have an agent who is experienced with the local area and can provide you with the latest market stats so you can price your property competitively. Please reach out to my team and me so we can help assist you, guide you through this ever-changing market. I'm Shelley Stone, and when you do what you love, people love what you do. Give us a call. I invite you to experience the difference. With all of the ups and downs of the housing market, what is the latest buzz on the housing market? As we move into 2024, let's take a look at what the National Association of Realtors is saying about the housing market. According to Lawrence Yun, chief economist for NAR, interest rates are the most likely reach their peak in 2023, and he predicts that rates will drop between 6 and 7% by the spring buying season. This is great news as more sellers will enter the market with the higher buyer demand. This will help ease the shortage of inventory. Yoon predicts new construction will also help with the inventory shortage as builders are back on their feet with new home sales up 5% year to date. In addition, nationally, home prices are expected to rise 3 to 4% this year, keeping sellers happy to list their homes and cash in on their equity. Experts also predict buyers will continue to purchase multi-generational housing to offset affordability costs. This is a trend we saw in 2023 and will continue into 2024. If you would like more information on the current housing market, please reach out to my team and I. Let us help you make an informative and strategic decision in today's market. Home buyers and sellers, are you curious to know the latest stats on the national housing market? Let's take a look at the numbers. According to Redfin, at the time of this video, mortgage applications rose 3%, bringing them to their highest levels in recent weeks. This is partially due to the recent dip in interest rates, bringing buyers off the sidelines to make home purchases. A recent inflation report shows inflation is easing, which means it's almost certain the Fed won't hike interest rates and may even begin cutting rates earlier than expected this year. All of this is good news as more sellers are jumping into the market and listing their homes. Current data is showing new listings are up 3% from a year earlier. This is the biggest increase in listings in the last 2 years. So what is driving this increase? Sellers are noticing an uptick in home buyer demand and do not want to miss out on potential buyers for their property. Buyers that have been waiting for a little relief in rates want to take advantage of the market. So overall, it's a good time for both buyers and sellers to enter the market. If you would like more information on housing data in your local market area, give us a call. We're happy to help. I'm Shelley Stone, and I invite you to experience the difference.